If you want to change your video from horizontal to vertical in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to switch your project into a vertical format so it's ready for TikTok, Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any other vertical platform. This is a super simple change, but it makes a huge difference when you're creating content for mobile viewers. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure you're inside the editing workspace and that your timeline is loaded with the video you want to resize. Once your project is open, look below the preview window. You'll see an option called Ratio. This is the setting that controls the shape and layout of your entire project. Click on Ratio, and a list of aspect ratios will appear. From here, select 9:16, which is the vertical format. As soon as you choose it, CapCut will switch your canvas from horizontal to vertical. You may notice that your video now fits a portrait-style frame, which is exactly what you want for vertical content. If your original clip was filmed in widescreen, you might need to reposition or scale it a little so the subject stays centered nicely in the frame. That's completely normal, and CapCut makes it easy to adjust. Just click your clip in the timeline or on the preview screen, and use the transform controls to move it into the best position. This is especially helpful if your original footage was shot in landscape mode, and you want it to look clean and professional in a vertical layout. Once you're happy with the framing, you can continue editing as normal. Add text, captions, music, effects, or anything else you need for your final video. The main thing is that your project is now set to a vertical 9:16 size, which is perfect for modern short-form content. So to recap, open your project in CapCut PC, click Ratio below the preview window, and select 9:16 vertical. That's all it takes to change from horizontal to vertical in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.